There are two main legal ideologies that dominate the world: common law and civil law. Common law originates in England and is based on pagan Germanic traditions, while civil law originates from France and is based on Roman traditions. Common law is based on case law, meaning each decision is decided on a case-by-case basis using older precedents. If there's no set precedent, then new precedent can alter the law, which means that laws are uncodified. This means that laws under a common law system are based on tradition. A long process of time and thousands of past rulings create common law that is honed over time. Under common law, judges are also elected by the people, and the accused are judged by their peers, not the state. Therefore, common law authority stems from the people. Civil law, on the other hand, is codified, meaning it is written by politicians and government officials. Courts and judges must also use state-backed legislation to come to a verdict, and may not change the law themselves. Civil law is therefore more centralised and based on the power of the state. Civil law also changes all the time depending on politics and the current government in office, and is therefore inflexible. Courts must do what the institutions decide, and all authority lies within the state. This also makes civil law more adaptive and is shaped by the current trends of the time. The laws structuring a nation, from politics, society and ideas of freedom, are obviously a huge unifying factor within the Anglosphere. Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.